Hello guys, so today we're going to be talking about how you can use Gamma AI to create very nice presentations and make your presentations really stand out. So here we are on the Gamma AI website. So once you enter the website, you will need to log in. I have logged in with my Google account. It's really easy. You just press on sign in with Google, you add your email and your password, and that's it. So once we are here, we are going to go to create new, which is using AI to help you create your presentation. So once we are here, you can either generate, so you can provide a topic, which is what we are going to do, and let AI generate a first draft, a doc, deck, or web page, or you can paste docs and slides, and then it will give you the options to edit that. So we're going to go generate, and here it asks us what we want to create. So we want to create a presentation, and here we're going to add a topic of what we want to make. So let's just add a topic. Let's say adverse effect of penicillin, and send. And now we have started the process of creating it. So here you can see it created an outline, so what it will cover. So as you can see, it's already showing very high skills. And then we're going to go on to continue, and here it's starting to generate the presentation. And here it is starting to use a theme on its own, but you can also choose a different one. So here you have different ones, or you can just click on surprise me and it's going to use a certain theme. So we're just going to click on surprise me and let's see what it gives us. So it gave us this theme, which I actually don't mind for the topic. I think it flows well with the topic. So here it's already generating the presentation. So let's see what it gives us. And as you can see, it's creating slides, it's adding text. I haven't added anything, and it's already doing very well. Here on the side, you have different options. So all of these slides are not final. You can edit any slide you want. You can add things, you can remove things, you can do whatever you want. See here, you can add images, you can embed videos, embed apps, you could change fonts, you could change layout options, whatever you want. You can once the presentation is done, or maybe if you want to add a partner to help you with the presentation, to help you with creating it, you can just click on share here. And as you can see, you can share publicly, you can export, or you can invite others. And once you click on invite others, you can see it's basically like Google Drive. So you can invite people by email, and you can give them different permissions. So you can either give them full access, you can give them the option to edit, or you can just give them the option to see the presentation. And as you can see, the AI has created the presentation, and it honestly looks really good. So yeah, this is a very useful tool if you need help with creating professional looking presentations, if you need help with design, layout, whatever you need presentation wise. This app is really powerful. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.